Hi guys. Today we're going to make a salad for dinner. So let's start. We're cutting up some cucumber for the salad. Get a bowl. Put it in. To cut up some carrot. Peel the edges off. Now, put all the carrot in. Let's add in the peppers. Yellow pepper is in there now. The red pepper and the orange pepper for this. Some tomatoes. Well, two.
Tomato or tomato?
You can call it either way.
What do you want to call it? Tomato or tomato?
I do it anyway sometimes.
It's potato or potato?
Potato.
Potato? Not potato?
I don't say potato. I say potato. Tomato, potato.
Tomato and potato. There goes the tomato. Then we'll chop up some lettuce.
Normally I would rip it, but we can still chop it as well if we need lots. That's a lot of lettuce, but greenery is good, so that's okay.
Few onion rings.
Onion rings, like those chip onion rings, not those. Olives, yes.
And cheese. Which
Yes.
olive you like? The green or the black ones?
I like green.
Okay. Good. And we are going to add.
I like green olives more than black ones. I have tried the black ones, and here are
These
the
are
green
jalapenos.
ones. The
Jalapenos.
yeah, jalapenos. They're quite spicy, I believe. Right? No.
Not that much.
Oh, quite spicy meaning, yeah, not that much.
And some pickles.
I thought it would be pickle. Well, I don't like pickle. I don't like pickle.
Don't like pickles?
I'm just saying that randomly because I have never even tasted pickle.
Okay. Next.
I believe it's
Next
like
great
cute.
thing is going. That is our feta cheese.
Feta cheese.
So when we'll add
Feta cheese is basically
cheese.
not cheese, paneer.
It's like paneer. It's a bit. I think you taste and tell me. I think it's a bit
Yeah.
salty.
Oh,
So that's why
okay.
you cannot just break it like this.
A little.
Yes.
I'm going to
Taste it.
try it. Actually, it tastes like just a type of cheese.
Type of cheese?
Doesn't taste like any paneer.
Any paneer?
No. I still like it.
Still like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The next thing we are going to add
It tastes like
is
cream cheese.
paneer.
Oh, that's the paneer.
That's the paneer. We'll add some.
This cheese tastes like cream cheese a bit, but it's really hard. Okay, I
So
like
I'm
it.
going to just toast this paneer a bit.
Paneer a little. Some
Add some.
olive oil. Oh, olive we put in the thing in our salad, and olive oil is over here. Just spread it around a little. Get mixed up with my word. Now get your spatula and mix it a little.
That's enough. Just add paneer.
Here's our salad.
So it's not yet ready. So next thing we're going to add
Some
is
peanut.
yes,
Well,
more
salted.
More protein. More protein. It's going to be a full protein packed salad.
Well,
Lovely crunch. For the crunch only I'm giving that. Now too much protein. Now we need to balance out with some carbohydrate. So here goes the croutons. Lots of it.
remember about your balance plate. One fell down.
We'll crush some
And also, did you know that
mayo.
if you put some pepper on a table or something, then if you put the balloon there, all the pepper will get stuck to the balloon.
So this is
Not too much of that.
sweet chili sauce.
Sweet chili. Only add that in one area because I want to eat some as well.
No, I'm going to mix it everywhere.
No.
Okay, this is your sriracha sauce, and we'll sprinkle some salt as well.
Well,
Some
pink salt.
pink Himalayan salt. Doesn't matter really. You don't add too much of salt because we already have salt in this feta cheese and in other stuff.
Olives,
yeah. And last thing I'm going to add is squeeze out some lemon.
lemon.
Just a bit.
Not too
Give
much.
the tangy flavor.
Anyways, the olives already have a tangy flavor, so not too much.
Not too much. That's about it. Our protein packed salad is ready, and it is testing time.
I'll get a spoon for each of us. 1, 2, and